Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Audi S8 2025. The Audi S8 2025 is a luxury sports sedan that blends high performance with advanced technology and premium comfort. As the flagship model in Audi's S lineup, it continues to set a high standard in the full-size luxury sedan segment. The latest S8 comes with a bold design, featuring a large single-frame grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body that reflects both sportiness and sophistication. The exterior design is further enhanced by sporty elements such as quad exhaust outlets, a sculpted hood, and dynamic lines that give it an aggressive yet elegant stance. The car sits on large alloy wheels, adding to its commanding road presence. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 571 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent grip and handling in various driving conditions. The S8 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury sedans on the market. The addition of a mild hybrid system enhances efficiency while maintaining the car's high-performance characteristics. Inside, the Audi S8 offers a luxurious and high-tech cabin with premium materials such as Valcona leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The seats are not only comfortable but also come with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, featuring dual touchscreens, a digital instrument cluster, and a head-up display. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, providing an immersive audio experience. One of the standout features of the 2025 Audi S8 is its advanced suspension system. The predictive active suspension adjusts each wheel individually to provide the best possible ride comfort and handling. The car also includes rear-wheel steering, which enhances maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. These features make the S8 not only a powerful sedan but also a comfortable and agile one. Safety and driver assistance features in the new Audi S8 are top-notch. It comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, night vision assist, and collision avoidance technology. These systems work together to provide a safe and stress-free driving experience, whether in city traffic or on the highway. For those looking for more customization, Audi offers various optional packages that enhance both performance and luxury. The black optic package adds darkened exterior elements for a more aggressive look, while the dynamic package includes ceramic brakes and sportier suspension tuning for those who want a sharper driving experience. Overall, the 2025 Audi S8 is an exceptional blend of power, luxury, and technology. It caters to those who want a high-performance sedan without compromising on comfort and advanced features. With its refined design, cutting-edge tech, and impressive performance, the S8 remains one of the most desirable luxury sedans available today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on high-performance vehicles, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and features on the latest and greatest cars in the automotive world. This is Gear Run, bringing you the best in automotive content. See you in the next video.